excited to ride the ride. So guys, let's go do it. Woo.
There's like a little stair. I wonder if like somebody can actually get up.
Hey guys, this is Queen Bee from During the Moment. I'm here with Taylor and Jamie from
What's
That Parks.
We're riding.
We are so excited. How excited are you, Taylor?
Very excited.
Woo.
That was very exciting. Woo. That was a good woo.
We had no idea what to expect, but I can't wait to show you guys and tell you all about it.
For us to discover together as we continue to explore the mysteries of our vast universe. Who knows what dimensions or multiverses we might find?
Look at these cute guys. They're like huge. Isn't that awesome, Taylor?
That's awesome.
Histories of the Nova Corps and the population of Xandar. Our beautiful planet Xandar is known for many things, but perhaps most renowned for our technological advancements. Name this planet HD 13199AB, which Peter Quill said is
A terrible name for a planet.
I was scared because they said it's been heavy.
All right, guys, we're getting closer. We are getting closer. Taylor, are you excited?
We're getting closer.
We're getting closer. Baby, we're getting closer.
We're so close.
Close. We're like
It's
almost,
like happening.
almost right there. Look at that.
As the capital of the Nova Empire, Xandar is home to over 12 million citizens. Constructed on a vast system of atolls, our city features a wide array of architectural styles, inspired by the many cultures and species who have traveled across the galaxy.
On water for life.
Our oceans produce both energy and food.
This beauty, yes.
If you look closely at the Star Blaster's design, you might discover that its wings can flare out and form a star shape.
This line is moving so quick, guys.
Please do not cross the yellow line, fill in all the available space.
Now, we're almost there, guys. We're almost there, right, Taylor?
We're almost there.
Thank you.
Oh, here's the pre-show.
Please make sure we do not cross over
Oh, no,
to the
maybe not.
temporary market for your best view of the presentation.
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 That creates jump points, artificial tunnels that act as shortcuts, linking distant points in space. It is our desire to share this wondrous technology with your people so that together we might explore new worlds and create a brighter tomorrow. And now, as the culmination of the wonders of Xandar, you will be teleported to a Nova ship above your planet for a demonstration of the cosmic generator. I trust you will find it an unforgettable experience.
Welcome, people of Epcot, Epcoters, Epcotians, citizens of Epcot. Does anyone know what they call themselves? What? I'm on? Someone needs to tell me what I'm on. Welcome, Epcot Terrans. I am Centurion Tal Merrick, and we're just about ready to teleport you up to the ship for the demonstration. Okay, before we begin, I should warn you that we have never teleported Terrans before. But since your molecular structure is very similar to Xandar, inside the lighted ring. You do not want to know what happened last time someone did not stand where I told them to, okay? Stand by for teleportation. Is everyone in? Here we go. You made it! I mean, of course you did. Nova Prime?
When did we figure that? That thing's gotta be worth a fortune.
I am Groot.
Good question.
Yeah, who do you think took it?
Perhaps that really big man outside your ship.
That is a big man. I need to alert Nova Prime.
I have been watching Terrans for eons.
That's not crazy at all.
This species has failed.
Wait, whoa, we didn't even know there was a test.
He's got a cosmic generator. He's creating a new jump point.
Jump point to where?
Not where, when.
Some kind of mute jump point.
It's going back to the dawn of time.
Dawn of time, why?
To erase an error.
Well, that doesn't sound good.
Your time is over.
Wait, what do you mean? What do you mean it's so vague?
The jump point is closing.
Hey, no, you know according to follow that whatever it is until we get.
You need to make your way to the evacuation shuttles now. We'll follow with the fleet if we get our power back. I mean, when
That was
we get our
awesome. The
power back.
storyline is amazing, guys.
This planet of the Guardians doesn't stand a chance. What? It's the moment? What did I just say? You need to tell me what I want. Are you Terrence still there? Everything is...
Here we go, Taylor.
Remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the Star Jumper and hold on. And push up on the go down some more. Please push up on your leg and go and pull up. Anything is Star Jumper. Here we are. Mire hacia abajo en la...
Okay, they're headed for the jump point. This plan is never gonna work.
Rocket!
Well,
Okay, I've locked onto your vehicle.
We'll be right behind you.
nothing to worry about.
Unless we cannot stop this unusually large man, then you're likely doomed.
Drax!
Good luck. You're gonna need it.
It was useless to follow me. What is that noise?
No one's gonna stop rock and roll from existing.
What have we done?
I think we jumped back.
We gotta get that generator. It's the only way back.
There it is. We got the generator.
Rocket, get us back.
I will destroy you.
We did that all the time. Rocket, anytime. Okay, let me try this. The Milky Way just formed.
I hate milk.
Well, we're here. It's about time.
Of course it is about time. Have you not been paying attention?
Velveteen, link your star blasters.
We haven't contained, but not for long. My world would have been perfect.
Yeah, well, nobody's perfect.
is not a word.
Sure is. Stands for every person comes out tired.
I don't get it.
And welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy.
We have no room in our ship for these new guards.
Drax, it's an honorary title. They're not coming with us.
I see. It is meaningless. Well then, welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy. Now where's that cake toast?
I have to say, the best roller coaster at this moment in the parks. You guys have to go. It's just, I have no words. Look at this. So what do you think, Taylor?
That was an awesome ride. I wish Drew in the moment could ride it.
I know. I'm not sure if Drew will be able to do it because he has vertigo. So yeah. Okay guys, so thank you so much for watching. Bye. They'll say bye.
Bye.
See you soon. Remember guys, it's only one way to live. It's in the moment, right? Bye.